obonera abayizi kwe batwalira abayizi oluvannyuma lw'abayizi okufuna abaafuna obonero obuna okubeera abatono ddala. Wetwogerera mukadde kano minisita ombeezi w'ebyenjigiriza ebisookerwako Joyce Morichu Kaduchu yali mu kwogera. Katugende butereevu erugogo tulabe ebiriyo.
Accordingly on how to prevent mpox in your schools. As we look forward to release O-level results for the first cohort of students who sat examination under the new low secondary school curriculum, I congratulate and I thank all of you for implementing the curriculum diligently. This is a transformation, and I urge you to continuously adapt and improve mindset and ensure the best is given to our learners. I would like to inform the public, the general public, that the issue of A-level curriculum is being addressed by NCDC. Cabinet has already approved the alignment of A-level curriculum to competence-based pedagogy. NCDC has done a lot of work as far as aligning the competence-based curriculum is concerned. And for that matter, they will soon share the program for training of teachers and orientation. Please take note. For us to effectively handle the alignment of A-level curriculum to O-level curriculum, all teachers handling A-level should attend the orientation and the training without fail. Permit me, ladies and gentlemen, to thank the selection committee under the leadership of Dr. Jane Gao for coordinating this activity and ensure that it is successfully done. Finally, I would like to inform all of you and the general public that first term for the Senior 1 cohort of 2025 will commence on Monday, the 17th of February this year, 2025. When you are done with this selection exercise, please display the list immediately to enable our parents to prepare the learners so that they can report to school within the time frame. The doors of Mama Janet's office will forever remain open for all of you for further consultation, for engagement, and for discussion for matters concerning education of our children. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you God's blessing as you strive to educate our children. And it is my singular pleasure and honor to declare the 2025 placement exercise for Senior 1 officially open. Please feel free and go ahead with the selection. I thank you for God and my country.
Weewaawo ebyo biri lugogo era oyo ye minisita omubeezi ow'ebyenjigiriza ebisookerwako Joyce Morichu Kaduchu nga ayogerako eri abakulu b'amasomero ab'enjawulo abagenza okulaba nga basunsula mu bayizi abagenda okwegatta ku siniya esooka. Ategeezezza nti abali mu kibiina ekya siniya esooka bakutandika ng'ennaku z'omwezi 17 omwezi ogujja ogwokubiri bwe bajja okuba nga batandika, era asabye abazadde okuwandiisa abaana ng'obudde bukyali saako n'okubateekayo ng'obudde bukyali baleme kusubwa kintu kyonna. So ebyo byonna ebisingawo Ronald Kitanda gyali butereevu agenda kubanga abikuŋŋaanya abitutuuseeko butereevu wano ku Terefayina gy'oba weekoomerako.